Yes, it's a separate one. And may pangalawang ginto na yata eh. Kaya madodoble yata. But we feel that it's important to support and to inspire all our athletes and to recognize their achievements. We are very, very proud of our medalists, and we are looking forward to more medals during these Olympics. And we are very inspired as a nation. Kaya congratulations talaga sa mga medalists natin lahat. To our Olympians, talagang world class na talaga. Nakalo season, may pangalawa na yata, di ba?
Opo, sir.
So, we want to make sure that they are equally inspired and equally acknowledged and rewarded for their achievements. Ambak-ambak naman ng congressman, nag-ano tayo. Bago magka-Olympics, in fact, ginawa natin po ay we actually did a very informal but voluntary contribution system. Kaya miski sa pag-alis ng mga ating mga atleta, may konting baon na. Pero we believe that the athletes, mga atleta, kailangan talaga ng ating suporta. Lalo na dito sa pagkukuha nila ng gintong medalya. We really have to reward them. So, walang problema naman sa atin. At saka maraming dalakan nag-volunteer na i-recognize, kaya hindi lang po sa private sector pero mismo mga members of the house ay talagang proud na proud. Marami naman kami po, so walang problema. 300 naman natin kami.
Sir, pati silver and bronze meron?
Opo, meron din. Meron din.
Taga-Tacloban, sir.
Ay, syempre, ako special naman yan. So, si Mayor ng Tacloban, kami mag-aambag-ambag dyan, pero walang problema.